Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about some screen recorder apps that are totally free, and in this video I'm gonna review 5 screen recorder that are beginner to advanced level, and this screen recorder will help you to record your computer windows easily. Let's start the video. Before starting video, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Number 5 is CamStudio. CamStudio is free recorder and it is really easy to use screen recorder and navigator. It is small and not fancy UI. It is simple UI and it can convert recording file to AVI. And some feature of CamStudio. CamStudio can convert AVI into Flash, highlight the cursor path and record with sound. And CamStudio is totally free screen recorder with no time limits. Number 4 is Skin REC. Skin REC is minimalist, fast and easy to use screen recorder. It is best for its no ad, no spamware or malware, and it is obviously free to use and come with 2 GB free cloud video hosting, ultimate free screen recording and screenshot tools. It has also lots of features. You need to sign up an account to use this app, and it is also totally free screen recorder. Number 3 is EasyBeat for Windows. EasyBeat for Windows is fully featured video editor and screen recorder which have been used to create millions of videos for YouTube and Facebook and also other sites. EasyBeat for Windows is capture whatever appear on your computer screen, web page, game, application, paint program, maps, and it has lots of feature and you can edit video on this screen recorder also, and it has no time limit of screen recording and totally free app. Number 2 is Sharex. Sharex is free open source program that lets you capture or record area of your screen and share it with single press of key, and it's also really advanced screenshot capture tools. You can record any area of your windows with no limitation, and it comes with lots of feature and web upload. You can share your video or screenshot anytime and with this app, and it is totally free screen recorder and it's a really advanced screen recorder for me so far. Coming to number 1 is Freecam 8. Freecam 8 is totally free tool to create screencast, and Freecam provides the full set and feature of creating professional video lesson and e-learning presentation, and it is totally free screen recorder with no limitation, and it also have inbuilt audio and video editor that you can turn your video into well-rounded video lesson. And Freecam allow you to save your screencast on your desktop, and also you can instantly share it on YouTube. So guys, that's 5 screen recorder for today. See you in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel.